How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video with Just Kidding TV. Today I'm gonna show you how you can download and install your wonderful game Arena of Valor. So, first of all, just subscribe and like our video. So let's get started. Step number one. You have to go to the memoplay.com, download the memoplay and install the application. It's not gonna take from you a lot of time, just a few minutes. Step number two, after downloading and installing memoplay, you have to click in memoplay and we will find this screen over there. Step number three, go to the search menu and enter Arena of Valor. With a few seconds, you will find the screen showing Arena of Valor. You just click wait, and of course it's going to send you directly to the page. All you can do is just install the game, and step number 4, enjoy the game. That's all, fellas. Please, if you like our video, just click like, subscribe, Just Kidding TV, and have a wonderful day.
I will have order.
You have been defeated.
Me naho